In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook page to WhatsApp. By the end, your Facebook page and your WhatsApp business number will be linked so people can reach you quickly from your page, your posts, and even your ads. Before we begin, make sure you have admin access to the Facebook page and a WhatsApp business number that can receive SMS or phone calls for verification. Start by opening Facebook. You can do this on a desktop browser or in the Facebook app. Log into the account that manages the page you want to connect. If you manage multiple pages, double-check that you're in the right place to avoid linking the wrong one. Next, switch to your page. On desktop, look for the profile switcher, then select your page profile so you're acting as the page. This ensures the settings you're about to change apply to the page, not your personal account. Go to Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Settings or Professional Settings area where you control page features. Once you're there, locate Linked Accounts. This is where Facebook centralizes connections to external platforms and messaging services. Choose WhatsApp. You'll see a section explaining the benefits of connecting, such as making it easier for customers to start conversations directly from your page. Click into WhatsApp to begin the setup. Enter your WhatsApp business number. Select the correct country code and type the number exactly as it's registered in WhatsApp Business. It's important that this number can receive SMS or calls, since you'll need a verification code. If the number is already linked elsewhere, you may need to free it up before proceeding. Click Send Code. Facebook will send a short verification code by SMS. In some cases, you may be offered a call option. Keep your phone nearby and make sure you have a strong signal so the code comes through promptly. Enter the verification code. Type it exactly as you received it and avoid extra spaces or symbols. If the code expires or never arrives, wait a moment and request a new one, confirming you selected the right country code and entered the correct digits. Click Confirm. Facebook will validate the code and complete the connection. You should see a confirmation message and a connected status. From now on, your page can display a WhatsApp button so people can reach you in a tap, and your business can respond faster and keep conversations organized. That's it. Your page is now connected to WhatsApp. If you ever need to review or adjust the link, return to Settings and check linked accounts to confirm everything looks good.